Here is your luxury Bennett Valley Estate Parcel ready to build now with all the needed improvements and plans available to easily complete your wine country dream. This property is graced by beautiful oaks at picture frame majestic Bennett Peak, Annandale State Park, and unsurpassed panoramic country vineyard views. Sonoma Mountain, Annandale State Park, Taylor Mountain Regional Park, as well as Sonoma Mountain with its regional park all surround this property and Bennett Valley itself. Sonoma Mountain's hiking and riding trail network currently connect to Jack London Park and have future plans to connect to the greater trail network extending throughout the Bay Area. Bennett Valley is arguably the most beautiful valley in Sonoma County and the wine country, conveniently located between Glen Ellen, Kenwood, and Santa Rosa, with quick access to the 101, shopping, and other conveniences. From here, you can travel to Healdsburg, Bodega, Calistoga, or Sonoma's historic town square, all within a 30-minute or less drive. Santa Rosa is just 5 minutes down the road with all its conveniences, including Whole Foods, world-class restaurants, entertainment of all forms and conveniences, unmatched by any other area within Sonoma County. Most people do not realize that such a beautiful valley exists so close to everything. This location also offers a quick route to 101 at the north end of Petaluma, skirting the traffic areas of Santa Rosa and Rohnert Park that can experience some congestion during high times of demand, making your drive time from San Francisco at least 20 minutes shorter than any other location within Sonoma County. This property is suitable for horses, vineyard, gardens, orchards, and livestock. It has an engineered road with drainage completed to the estate building site, as well as the secondary barn and second dwelling building site. Drawings and plans are available for both buildings. Underground utilities have been placed to the building sites, a 33-gallon per minute well, water line, and sewer line leading to where a 6-bedroom standard septic system has been approved to be installed. This property is truly build-ready and is gentle and rolling with a serene, quiet setting that has no flaws to contend with. It is totally turnkey. If you are looking to create your own wine country dream home, either as a weekend retreat for yourself and your family, a luxury vacation rental income property, or as a full-time country home close to everything, then this property is an opportunity you will not want to miss.